Hi, my name is Jim Magnuson, and this is Magnus Drones. I'm a certified FAA Part 107 pilot. This is where I post videos of various subject matter depending on where I'm located or what I'm interested in filming. If you see something you enjoyed watching, I hope you'll hit that thumbs up button. And be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be kept up to date of new videos that I post. So let's get started. I'm here this morning at the south end of Eagle Mountain Lake, actually right here next to the dam. And I wanted to take a flight and go out around the marina that's located just west of the dam. A couple years ago, maybe 3, it was destroyed by a tornado that came through, touched down, and just tore it up. And there are people that live on houseboats at this marina. So over the last couple of years, it was rebuilt. There was actually a restaurant there too, and it was burned. But anyway, it's all been cleared out, and the video this morning is the marina as it is today, and it's actually quite nice. So let's take a look at it.